Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Welcome back everyone to this Android Studio development tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this video, we are going to discuss about time picker. In the last video, we learned how to select a date. Now there are many applications where along with date we need to select the time. Okay, like in time, out time, or if you are filling a leave form, so from the for half day leave you will have to select the time. So all these are different applications of time. Now when I am saying, or if you want to set an alarm, okay, so you need to select the time. Instead of typing the time, we can use a time picker dialog to select the time. Let's see how to use it. So we will continue in the last project where we have displayed a date picker. Below this date picker, I will add a time picker as well. So I will just simply copy this design. Button, the text will be select time and we will change the ID as select time. Then here the text view, time will be displayed here and we will change its ID to C time. So we have one button for date. This works perfectly fine for date picker, and now we have to go for the time picker. Let's go to the Java file. In this Java file, we have already created the date objects. Now let's create one more button for time and one more text view object for C time, let's say. Okay. We'll have to initialize these objects, okay, or instead of C time, we'll write TV2. Initialize these objects, so time equals to find view by ID r dot id dot select time. Select time is the ID of our button, and TV2 equals to find view by ID r dot id dot C time, which is the ID of our text view. Now after this, we have created the click event of date button. After the click event of date button, below the semicolon, now we will create click event of time button. So time dot set on click listener, new space capital O, enter. Okay. In this new space capital O, enter, here we will call a function show time. Okay. As this is a custom function, it is showing error because we have not declared it yet. So we will come outside the onCreate, outside the date picker function. This is the show date function. Okay. You have to be outside the show date function but inside the class, and here we will write public void show time. Now in this show time, we have to write the code for our current time. So how to write it? First of all, we will have to get the current time so that we can set the current time to our date time picker. To get the current time, again we will use calendar, C equals to calendar dot get instance, then int, let's say h, the current hour equals to C dot get calendar dot hour of the day. Means 24 hours, out of 24 hours, which is the current hour of the day, that will be stored in h, and I will create one more variable, m equals to C dot get calendar dot minute. Minute. If you want, you can get the seconds also, but we will not deal with the seconds. Okay, you can get milliseconds using calendar. So calendar is used for all the date and time things related to the current. Okay, I have my hour and minute. Now next we will go for the time picker. So I'll create a time picker dialog. TP equals to new time picker dialog. First parameter will be this, comma, new space capital O, enter. Now again it is showing error similar to the date picker. First of all, give a semicolon, then in between these brackets pass your hour and minute, the current hour and current minute. Okay. Hour, minute, and then the third parameter of this constructor is 24 hours format. So do you want your clock in 24 hour formats? You can say here true. Is 24 hour view true? Now you will get your clock in 24 hour, and if you want it in 12 hours, you can make it false. Okay. Let's check for the false and then we'll check for the true also. Now here we have to set our time. So the selected time is stored in hour of day and the minute in minute. So tv2 dot set text, selected time is, yes, what is the selected time, plus first will be hour of the day plus, now here we don't use slash to display time, we usually use colon. So I'll give colon plus minute. So what will happen, whatever is the selected time will be displayed in this tv2. Let's run this program and check the output. Select time. So here we have now created this dialog and we will have to display it. So tp dot show. Let's run this program. It is installing. Yeah, installed. Select time. So as you can see, current time is shown. And as we have selected 24-hour view false, it is showing the 12-hour view. So you can select AM, let's say 12:20 AM. Okay. Selected time is 0:20 because 12:20 AM is in the midnight. Okay. And if you make this 24-hour view true, and now let's run this program. Installing, select time. Now it will display the 24-hour clock, 21:50. So the selected time is 21:50, and if you want 10:55. So this is how we can use time picker and you can develop your applications. Thank you so much for watching this video.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.